Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I am going to guide you through how to check your Wi-Fi speed on your laptop. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my desktop. Now I'll go to any browser. For now I'll choose Google Chrome. Okay, you can see I am here in Google Chrome. Now I'll go on this search bar and type fast.com. and hit enter. Then you can see as soon as I type fast.com is analyzing my internet speed. Now it's analyzing and you can see your internet speed is 71 Mbps. That means my internet speed is 71 Mbps. Also, if we go on the see more options, you can find the upload speed as well. You can see my upload speed is 110 Mbps. So in this way we can check our internet speed. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.